Good morning, student. Now, today is a new chapter 3D, three-dimensional geometry. And three-dimensional geometry is a chapter 11, is a very important. Weightage ज़्यादा है. This is the 11 marks. And now this chapter there are two topics. One is the line and second is the plane. But today, now discussion exercise 11.1. And exercise 11.1 is only two topics. One is the direction ratio and second is the direction cosine. So now look here, student. First thing, what are the direction ratio? What are the direction cosine? Then DIRECTIO and direction ratio. This is the first topic, direction ratio, and it's the another topic is direction cosine. Direction cosine. Now look at student, in direction ratio, now given a 2 point, now joining 2 point make a line and is the coordinate of E point is x1, y1 and z1 and coordinate of B point is x2, y2, z2. Right, 2 points are given and now find the direction ratio. Short में लिखते हैं DR. Direction ratio of the line AB. 2 points are given, then direction ratio of the line AB is formula x2 minus x1, comma y2 minus y1, comma z2 minus z1. And direction ratio are denoted by small a, small b and small c. डायरेक्शन जब 2 पॉइंट गिवन हो तो किसी लाइन के तो डायरेक्शन रेशियो फाइंड होते हैं. डायरेक्शन रेशियो को स्मॉल ए, स्मॉल बी, स्मॉल सी से डिनोट करते हैं, राइट. और डायरेक्शन रेशियो से डायरेक्शन कोसाइन बनते हैं. दैट इज द फॉर्मूला ए अपॉन अंडर रूट ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर. सेम बी अपॉन अंडर रूट ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर and c upon under root a square plus b square plus c square. This is the direction cosine denoted by small l, small m and small n. L, M, N are direction cosine. Now look at student, direction ratio and direction cosine are constant values, but what are the relation between direction ratio and direction cosine? That is L upon A equals to M upon B equals to n upon c. This is the relation between direction ratio and direction cosine. That means direction cosine are proportional to direction ratio. And is another identity. What are the relation between direction cosine? This is the formula L square plus M square plus N square equals to 1. This is the relation between direction cosine. And now look here, student. When a line make angle with x-axis, y-axis as z-axis, a line, this is line OA, make angle alpha with x-axis, beta with y-axis and gamma with z-axis. So, उस कंडीशन में डायरेक्शन कोसाइन की आइडेंटिटी L equals to cos alpha, M equals to cos beta and N equals to cos gamma. So, student, there are two formulas of direction cosine. One is the direction ratio are given, that is direction cosine, this is element. But now alpha, beta, gamma angle is given, then direction cosine L equals to cos alpha, M equals to cos beta, N equals to cos gamma. Now exercise 11.1, first question, if a line make 90 degree, if a line make angles 90 degree, 135 degree and 45 degree with the x, y, z axis respectively and find its direction cosine. That means alpha, beta, gamma angle are given. Alpha is given 90 degree. Question number first, exercise 11.1. Alpha is given 90 degree, beta is given 135 degree and gamma is given 45 degree and find the direction cosine. So this is very simple. L equals to cos alpha, where alpha is 90 and what is the value of cos 90 is 0. Then M equals to cos beta and now beta is given 135 degree. And what are the value of 135 degree? Now right is the 180 minus 45 and cos 180 minus theta is a minus cos theta and cos 45 is the 1 by root 2, that is a minus 1 by root 2 is the value of M and N is cos gamma and gamma is given 45 degree. So that is cos 45 1 by root 2. So what are the direction cosine? Short में DCS लिखते हैं. Direction cosines of the line are 0, comma minus 1 by root 2 and comma 1 by root 2. So this is very important. Not direction ratio और direction cosine में कभी भी bracket नहीं लगते. Now this is a question number third, right? If its direction ratio are given and find the direction cosine. Direction ratio are given and find the direction cosine. That means is apply the identity. Ki A, B, C are given. What are the direction cosine? Then A upon under root A square plus B square plus C square, B upon under root A square plus B square plus C square, and C upon under root A square plus B square. Same question number 4 is now given as a example 5. Question number 4, now show that 3 points are collinear. Then 3 points are given. A point is a 2, 3, 4. Coordinate of B point is -1, -2, 1, and coordinate of C point is 5, 8, 7. 3 points are given, right? Student, question number 4th and 5th are same. 5th may find the direction cosine of the side of the triangle. Student, 3 points are given. Now find the first thing. Now find the direction cosine of side AB, side BC, side CA. This is a 5th question. Those condition में 2 points are given. First thing, find the direction ratio. Right? Now find the direction ratio of the line of the side AB. Now what is the formula of direction ratio? x2 minus x1, comma y2 minus y1, comma z2 minus z1. So then direction ratio of line AB, that is -1 minus 2 minus 3, minus 2 minus 3 minus 5, and 1 minus 4, that is a minus 3. This is the direction ratio of side AB. Suppose now find the direction ratio of the side of the line AB and now find AC. That means is again x2 minus x1, 5 minus 2 minus 3, 8 minus 3, 5 minus 2, 3, 8 minus 3, 5, and 7 minus 4 is 3, right? But that is the A point is common. Now prove that this is a point ABC are collinear. So what are the condition? Now A1 upon A2 equals to minus 3 upon 3, that is a minus 1. B1 upon B2 equals to minus 5 upon 5, that is a minus 1. And C1 upon C2 equals to minus 3 upon 3 is equals to 1. That is the A1 upon A2, and B1 upon B2 equals to C1 upon C2. This is the condition to line are parallel. Yeah, otherwise 3 points are collinear. So point A, B, C are collinear. That is the condition. A1 upon A2 equals to B1 upon B2 equals to C1 upon C2. Same question number 5th, if the 3 vertices of a triangle are given and find the direction cosine. Same कि आपके पास में 2 point के coordinate given है. First thing, now find direction ratio, and second thing, now find direction cosine. Direction ratio से direction cosine find करना है. For example, this question कि ABC direction ratio are minus 3, minus 5, minus 3. What are the direction cosine? That is a minus 3 upon under root square of minus 3, square of minus 5, and square of 3. That means minus 3 upon 25 plus 9, 34, 34 plus 9, that is 43, right? Same is the minus 5 upon root 43, minus 3 upon root 43. So direction ratio and direction cosine are constant value. Direction cosine are proportional to direction ratio. And this exercise is question number 2nd. Now this question in 10.2 miscellaneous of chapter 10th and exercise 11.1, find the direction cosine of a line which make equal angle with the coordinate axis. Find the direction cosine of a line which make equal angle with the coordinate axis. Now look here, there are 3 axes, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Now a line OA make angle alpha with x-axis, beta with y-axis and gamma with z-axis. According to question, now is given alpha, beta, gamma are equal and find the direction cosine. Alpha, beta, gamma are equal, so that means cos alpha equals to cos beta equals to cos gamma equal. Taking cos on both the sides, and cos alpha is L, cos beta is M, and cos gamma is N. That means L and N are equal. And what are the relation between direction cosine? L square plus M square plus N square equals to 1. But L and N are equal, that means L square plus L square plus L square. So that is 3L square equals to 1. then L square equals to 1 by 3, then L equals to plus minus 1 by root 3, or L, M is also same, N is also same. So, now what are the direction cosine of this line? Then plus minus 1 by root 3, comma plus minus 1 by root 3, comma plus minus 1 by root 3. So, student, this is the 3D, right, is 11.1. Only the two subtopic, direction ratio and direction cosine. 2 points are given, then find the direction ratio. Now, formula is x2 minus x1, comma y2 minus y1, comma z2 minus z2. But direction ratio are given, then direction cosine. Now, a upon under root a square plus b square plus c square, b upon under root a square plus b square plus c square, and c upon under root a square plus b square plus c square. That is direction cosine. But now alpha, beta and gamma angle are given. उस कंडीशन में डायरेक्शन कोसाइन L इक्वल्स टू कॉस अल्फा, M इक्वल्स टू कॉस बीटा एंड N इक्वल्स टू कॉस गामा. थैंक यू.